All right, everybody, we got the limited edition EV6 GT line. We're just gonna start over here with the hood. Coolant levels are good. A little compartment here. All right. This colorway only comes in the limited edition. Nothing like it. Beautiful. And we are not messing around. We got Continentals both front and back. You can see the sunroof popped open right over here. All right. And then right over here, we got the automatic charge port. So if I just click it in, opens right up. DC fast at the bottom. Right over here, it'll close. Just like that. Beautiful. All right. Off to the trunk. Pretty spacious. You also got the cargo cover for privacy. Right under here, you got extra storage. All right. And then right there, it'll close on its own. Perfect. Moving on to the back, as you could see, beautiful interior. Nice. Let's get a good look at that. Beautiful. Then right over here, we got the seat warmers. And then the Meridian surround. Sounds amazing. Also phone chargers right here in the back, both sides. Additional cup holders as well. All right. Let's close that up. Going on to the front now. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, this colorway, the interior and the exterior color, only come in this limited edition. You can see right over here. You're not gonna see that every day in an EV6. Oh yeah. And then also we got everything. We got seat coolers, ventilated seats, seat warmers right over here. And then the steering wheel warmer too. Down here we got outlets, phone chargers. All right, here is the steering wheel. You can play around with the drive mode right over here. We got the cruise settings, infotainment settings, nice big screen. A lot of different options here. And then this one, you can switch between the climate control and then the radio and map settings. Nice. We have a wireless phone charger here. More storage over here. Awesome. All right. Limited edition, everybody. Come on. Absolutely beautiful.